Hi, so today we are doing a rear brake caliper change. Actually, I had already changed it, but similar to last time, I forgot to put the metal plate that I didn't know was there, so I am now redoing it. So, rear brake pad is even more easier than the front one. You just have one pin. You take out that one pin. And you're out. Pull the pin out, and once this is out, you can easily remove your brake pads and similarly reinsert it. Similar to the front one, you will have to push back the piston that is coming out. Now the plate that I forgot was a plate that covered this part. So this is now fit. Reinsert over here, retrying the whole system. This is my second time putting it in place. The rear one should hold the caliper from moving back. Should be able to push. Yes, this is how it is done. The whole caliper is now inside the brake piston. Now you can easily push this in. So to push the piston in, you put it, the first brake pad goes first. It will help support the caliper not to be pushed out. So once this is in, then you push this one in. Take your spring, the nut, the bolt. Place the bolt in. Take your screwdriver and screw it. Align a little bit more. Keep going. And you're in. Tight. Strap to ratchet. Perfect. Now there is this cap similar to the nuts in front. There is a rubber cap for the rear one. Make sure you push it in right, otherwise it will just fall off. Spin it a bit back and forth so it's locked in. Now you go in the front, you pump the brakes a bit, the piston will come out and the brake is ready to go.